If you need to block someone on Divvy quickly, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your account remains secure and your experience is positive. Step 1. Open the Divvy app. Launch the Divvy application on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to your contacts. Go to the Contacts or Friends list section within the app. This is usually found in the main menu or profile settings. Step 3. Find the user. Scroll through your contacts or use the search function to locate the person you wish to block. Click on their profile to open their details. Step 4. Select the block option. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROG to constantly monitor your email ad accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm the block. After selecting the block option, you will likely be prompted to confirm your decision. Confirm that you want to block the user to finalize the process. By following these steps, you can quickly block someone on Divvy and maintain control over your interactions on the platform.